teaching my Fundamentals of Tantra weekend again, and I'm really excited. This is a fun, transformative weekend where if you're new to Tantra, you can discover the basics of it and start your journey into beautiful places of deeper intimacy with yourself and with others. And if you're familiar with Tantra, as you know, the journey always deepens, so this will be a chance for that deepening to happen. It's a weekend of connection, of discovering beautiful rituals that help you to live a more expansive, orgasmic life, and a weekend of understanding both conceptually and experientially how and why orgasmic energy is a healing, beautiful healing modality that can take your life to new heights. So look forward to journeying with whoever feels called.